Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Cheats. In today's video, we're going to learn how to push code to GitHub using Git. GitHub is an essential tool for collaborating on code with others, and Git is a powerful command line tool that allows you to interact with GitHub repositories seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is to install Git on your computer. You can download it from the official website. Go to your browser and search for Install Git. Open the first link. Click on Downloads. From here you can download the Git. Once the download is complete, install the Git software. Installation is usually straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Click on Next. So Git is installed successfully. Once Git is installed, you need to create a GitHub repository where you want to push your code. Go to github.com and log into your account. If you don't have a GitHub account, create one. After sign in, click the green New button to create a repository. Give your repository a name. Choose between public and private visibility. After filling in the details, click the green button to create your repository. Now open Terminal. Navigate to your project's root folder. Now you need to configure Git with your username and email address. Configure it with your username and email address. Run the following commands, replacing Coding Cheats with your name. Run this command to set your email address. Here enter your email address and press enter. After making changes, it's time to stage and commit them. Now run git init command to initialize the Git repository. Run git add command to stage the files and git commit m to commit the changes. The git remote add origin command is used to set up a connection between your local Git repository and a remote repository. Paste your SSH URL here. Now run this command to generate public SSH key. Here again paste the SSH URL. So a public SSH key is generated on this location. Copy the location and search it on File Manager. Open the file and copy the content. Now, in your GitHub account settings, go to SSH and GPG keys. Click New SSH key. Paste your public key into the provided field and give it a descriptive title. Click on Add SSH key. So we have added SSH key successfully. Now go back to terminal. And run git push origin master command. Finally, go back to your GitHub repositories page, and you should see your changes reflected there. And that's it. You've successfully pushed your code to GitHub using Git. This workflow is fundamental for collaborating with others on coding projects and for keeping track of changes in your codebase. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Happy coding!